How to fix your Windows displaying a black screen as your wallpaper. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Windows always displaying the black wallpaper or black screen even if you change or even if you have a wallpaper. So the reason why this can occur is because of some settings in your control center. So in this video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix that. So let's begin. First step, head over to your control panel. After you're on your control panel, make sure that you are on the view small icons. So after you're here, you will see an option that says ease of access. Tap on ease of access right here. And after you're on ease of access, you will see different options which will make your computer easier to use. Now under Explorer settings, you will see an option that says make the computer easier to see. Now this will optimize your visual display, so head over there. Now after you're here, scroll down a bit and right here you will see make things easier on screen to see, and under there you will see remove background images. Now sometimes this can get turned on, so simply turn this on, tap on apply. Now it might take some time, so just wait for it. You can just wait for it, and while you wait you can just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. And after you've done that, you can simply close this off, and with that your wallpaper should be back. And yeah, that is how you fix the issue guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.